Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Ford F-150 radio. First, ensure you have the right tools, such as a plastic trim removal tool, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a 10mm socket wrench. Safety is paramount, so always disconnect the negative battery terminal before beginning any electrical work. This prevents accidental shorts. Also, place a soft cloth over your dashboard to prevent scratches during the process. Taking these initial steps will make the entire removal much smoother and safer for you. Next, we'll focus on removing the dash trim panel. Begin by gently inserting your plastic trim removal tool into the seams around the radio bezel. Work slowly and carefully to release the clips holding the panel in place. Once the panel is loose, you may find a few electrical connectors, such as those for the climate controls or hazard lights. Disconnect these by pressing their release tabs. Set the trim panel aside in a safe place to prevent any damage. With the trim panel removed, you now have clear access to the radio unit itself. You'll typically find 4 screws, often 7mm or 10mm, securing the radio to the dashboard. Use your socket wrench or screwdriver to remove these. Once the screws are out, gently pull the radio unit straight out from the dash. This will expose the various wiring harnesses and the antenna cable at the back. Carefully disconnect each one by pressing the release tabs and pulling them free. Before completely removing the radio, ensure all wires are fully disconnected and clear of any obstructions. Once the old unit is out, you can prepare for your new installation or simply store the old radio safely. When reinstalling, remember that the process is essentially the reverse of removal. Connect all harnesses and the antenna, secure the 4 mounting screws, and then carefully reattach the dash trim panel, reconnecting any electrical connectors. Always test your new radio before fully snapping everything back into place.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.